These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, battery terminal cleaner, my jumper wire, and my 12-volt battery pack. So before I remove my battery, I'm going to be powering up the vehicle with 12 volts using my 12-volt jumper pack. I'm going to be connecting my jumper wire, one end to the jumper pack, the other end to the car, the OBD2 connector. Now we're going to replace the battery. First, I'm going to be removing the battery hold down. Removing the battery terminal. Removing the battery. Transferring the heat shield to the new battery. Now we're going to install the battery. Putting my hold down on. Cleaning up my battery terminal. Now I'm going to remove my battery pack. Removing my battery pack. Now you're good to go. So that's how you replace a battery and saving the memory at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.